I hope we all encourage each other, not by the association that we're part of or the people we are, but who we are as an identity, as Kashmiris. And in fact, so I'm perhaps more Indian than most, but the next generation, you can ask why they coming to the campus.
I was born here in San Antonio, Texas in 1991, so now I'm 21. I'm out of school. Well, I'm going back to school, but I'm done with college and stuff. And so I've had, the growth spurts, the growing pains that occur, through adolescence and all that. And now I'm kind of looking back a little bit on it. And growing up here, especially being born here, it's like living a dichotomy. Your Kashmiri culture, your Kashmirian, and your American culture are diametrically opposed. Like, you go to school Monday through Friday, and you're taught these ideas of, freedom, liberalism, pursuit of happiness. You can be anything you want to be. You can choose what you want to do. And then you come home and you're like, yeah, Mama, I'm going to be whatever I want to be. I'm going to choose whatever I want to do. And Mama says, kya? Kus freedom? Gas kitab. No. I'm up at 6:45 in the morning. I was up late the night before studying for a physics quiz, and I'm tired. And it's, guess which day? It's autumn. It's autumn. And so normally my other friends, even my non-Kashmiri, my Indian friends, they'll wake up to the soft bubbling of the coffee brewing, their parents' coffee pot, and this low volume Good Morning America playing in the background, and they get up and brush their teeth to it. I get up in the morning, and my boombox is on a volume 100, 7:30 in the morning. Mama's like, honestly, parents, please, if your children are in high school and they're stressed and tired, don't worry about your my t-shirt. Mama, is this necessary? Kya? Kuch necessary? You're just showing kosher birth, acha? Well, yeah, you sit down, you have to eat your potatoes. So, these are the kinds of experiences that we get to have. Nobody else gets to have them. And, in the moment, they feel like, oh, maybe it's tiring in the morning and all that. But looking back on it, it's charming. I'm going to miss it. From now on, I'm going to be living outside the home. And those are the moments that you're going to miss the most. But I look forward to the day that I get to do that to my kids. But, the other things that we get to share, with our culture, things like Kashmiri language. A lot of my friends, they've also been taught how to speak Kashmiri. It's difficult. You can hear when I'm speaking Kashmiri, it's a little bit broken. It's like Kashminglish. It's half and half. But with them, because we are a small global community. Another great thing is the food. Kashmiri cuisine is unique, yeah? Kashmiri cuisine is the best. We have things like Razma Hambar, Rogan Josh, Saman, Damolu, the great ones. And then we also have the curses like Sotsul, Nadar Bandagobi, oh my god, Munchichiki! Which crazy...
भी क्या जीना हो साथी रे दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ाएगा तुम जानो ना जानो मैंने तो जाना है मैं तुम में बसा है कौन अरे दीवाना मुझे पहचानो कहाँ से आया